Everyone, very good morning. Let's go to learn our lesson for today. Today, our topic is heat. Under the topic heat, you have to know the meaning of heat and also the meaning of temperature. Okay, look at here. Heat is a form of energy that is transferred due to the difference in temperature. A material will become hotter when gaining heat. That means any material that is hotter when gaining heat. And a material will become colder when losing heat. If you touch a material, you feel colder. That means the material losing heat. And if you touch the material, if you feel very hot, that means the material gaining heat. Hope you understand this one. Okay, look at here. The meaning of temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a material. That means we can measure the temperature. Temperature means degree of hotness or coldness of a material. Temperature can be measured by using a thermometer. The standard unit for measuring temperature is degrees Celsius. That means we using the standard unit degrees Celsius. The symbol for degrees Celsius is this one. They have bullet and C. That means degree Celsius. Let us look at the picture of thermometers. Okay, this one is the room temperature thermometer and this one is the laboratory thermometer. Okay, the white color one, inside the white color one, they have mercury liquid. And inside the yellow color thermometer, they have alcohol liquid. Okay. Okay, hope you understand that one. Okay, let's go to see the thermometer. The liquid in the thermometer will expand, mengembang, or contract, mengecut, when exposed to the different surrounding temperature. That means, when the temperature decreases, the liquid level in the thermometer falls as the liquid contracts. That means, if you put the thermometer in the cold water, the temperature will decreases. The number that you can see there decreases. Okay, and when the temperature increases, the liquid level in the thermometer rises as the liquid expands. That means if you put the thermometer in the hot water, the temperature will increases. You can see here, this one is the 30 degrees Celsius and in your right side is the 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay, look at here. How to use the thermometer correctly. Okay, first one, you must know, use the thermometer correctly to make sure you get the correct temperature. Okay, place a beaker filled with water on a flat surface. And second, hold the upper part of the thermometer upright. And number 3, immerse the thermometer into the beaker. Ensure that the bulb of the thermometer does not touch the bottom surface of the beaker. Okay, look at here. Don't touch the bottom surface of the beaker. Okay, and number 4, when the liquid level in the thermometer remains constant, adjust the position of the eye to the meniscus of the thermometer to obtain the temperature reading. Let's see the eyes. Your eyes must straight to the meniscus. Okay, actually, what is the meniscus? What is the meniscus level in a thermometer? Meniscus level is the curve level. Okay, what is the curve level? Okay, look at here. Look at the red color one. This one is the curve level of the thermometer. Okay, meniscus level is the curve level of the liquid in the glass tube of a thermometer. Hope you understand this one. And look at here. position of the eyes must be leveled to the level of the meniscus. That means your eye position must be straight to the meniscus level. Cannot be too high and cannot be too low. Okay, this one is the correct position. The correct position of the eye. Okay, position of the eye must be level to the level of the meniscus. Okay, done, ready. This one all is what you learned just now about under the topic heat and temperature. Number 1, heat is a form of energy that is transferred due to the difference in temperature. A material becomes hotter when it gains heat and becomes colder when it loses heat. You must remember this one. Material if hot, it gains heat, and material colder because it loses heat. Number 3, temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of a material. Listen to you remember the meaning. Number 4, thermometer is used to measure the temperature. That means temperature can be measured by what? By thermometer. The standard unit for temperature is degrees Celsius, and that one is the symbol for degrees Celsius. When the temperature of a material decreases, the level of liquid in the thermometer falls as the liquid contracts. When the temperature of the material increases, the level of liquid in the thermometer rises as the liquid expands. Okay, and last one, you learn already that the meniscus level is the curved level of the liquid in the glass tube of a thermometer. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, then let's go to see. Wait, Okay, let's go to see our exercise for today. Okay, this one, lembaran 39, your last week topic. So you do this activity, lembaran 39. Lembaran 40 also last week topic. You do it. And okay, this one is the today's topic, lembaran 41 under the topic heat. Okay, number 1, complete the following sentence statement with the given words. Just fill in the blank. Number 2, what is the definition of temperature? Number 3, name the tool and state the standard unit with its symbol. Okay, don't forget to write the symbol also. And B, how does the mercury level in the tool change with the change in temperature? Okay, that one you refer your textbook. Okay, and last one, lembaran 42. This one, number 1, draw the level of the meniscus of mercury on the thermometer below to show the temperature reading of 40 degrees Celsius. So this one, you color until the 40 degrees Celsius. Number 1. Number 2, explain the technique to measure temperature in beaker based on the following diagram. So number 1, what the boy doing. Number 2, so you explain. Okay, number 3, you explain. C, you explain the position of the eye. Okay. Refer back to the slide also, okay? Okay, lembaran 43. Sketch the position of the eye and write the temperature shown in the diagram below. Okay, A, this one, you sketch the eye. Where you want to put your eye. Okay, and write the temperature. Okay, number 2, predict whether the thermometer reading increases or decreases in the following situation. Okay, A, let's say Zaki heats up a beaker of distilled water. Okay, when heats up, the temperature increase or decrease. So if increase, you write there increase. Okay. If not increase, write there decreases. Okay. After finish, don't forget send all the lembaran to teacher in the Telegram group. Lembaran 39 to lembaran 43. This one is your checklist. Make sure you send all the lembaran. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy for our lesson and for your new topic for today. Thank you so much. See you next week.